Hi, I'm Mrs. Lim, your math tutor. June is a school holiday in Singapore. How about your country? When is your school break? Finally, we are allowed to travel. I'm just getting very excited. I'm gonna visit my family. How about you? Do you have any plan to travel? After the midterm, I think everyone is more relaxing now and school holiday is coming. So, alright, let's start today's lesson. We will continue with guess and check questions. May has $12.60 in 20-cent and 50-cent coins. She has twice as many 20-cent coins as 50-cent coins. How many coins does May have? Before we work on this question, what do we need to do? There are only 3 sentences in this question. So which word or which part will you underline? For me, I will underline she has twice as many 20-cent coins as 50-cent coins. Based on this sentence, can you tell which coin has more? 20 cent, correct? Now, how many more? Twice as many as 50-cent coins. If there is one 50-cent coin, there are 2 20-cent coins. Got it? I have listed out all the information here. Some of you might be thinking, hey, Mrs. Lim, how come your guess and check table only has 3 columns? I know some teachers require you to draw at least 6 or 7 columns. As you know, during the exam, time is very precious. And I saw this with my own eyes before. I saw some of my students, they took at least 2 minutes to draw out the guess and check table. Then in the end, they don't have enough time to work on the question. I'm here just giving you another option, so you can choose whatever way you want. Alright? Now, let's make our first guess. What number should we take? I like 10, okay? Why not we start with 10? 10 times 50 cents equals to 500 cents. Okay, remember 100 cents equals to $1. So 500 cents equals to $5. If there are 10 50-cent coins, then how many 20-cent coins are there? 20, correct? So, okay, then you just do up the calculations. Then you add up the total amount from each column. $5 and $4, you will get $9. Then what should we do next? Our first guess is not correct. If you have watched my video before, you should be able to tell me that we just need to increase 1 from the previous guess. So if there are 11 50-cent coins, then 20-cent coins has to times 2, so 22. Then our next guess is just $9.90. Finally, the pattern is here. When we increase this part by 1, then the other part will be increased by 90 cents. You see that? With this pattern, then later on we will know how many steps do we need to jump. What is the distance between the target and our guess? $12.60 minus $9.90. The answer is $2.70. Then $2.70 divided by 90 cents, the answer is 3. Do you still remember what this 3 represents? It means we need to increase our guess by 3. So 11 increased by 3, that will be 14. If there are 14 50-cent coins, then she should have 28 20-cent coins. When you do up the calculations, you should be able to get $12.60. She has 14 50-cent coins and 28 20-cent coins. So add up together, she has 42 coins. Yes, we just finished part 1. Now we're in part 2. Part 2 is the hands-on session. I will give you 5 minutes to work on this question. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go!